Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Nail Shack. It's DIY Nail Shack as well. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly nail sticker subscription. It only runs $13.95 per month, but if you prepay ahead of time, the price of the little bag goes down. And you do get to set a profile on whether you want holiday prints or sparkles, like glitter, if you want them just French manicure. I mean, they have all kinds of questions for you. So let's go ahead and see what she sent for December. Now, inside, you have your nail file and cuticle pusher that you're going to need to prep your nails before you put these on. Now, these are super easy to put on. She usually does include a little piece of paper that gives you photographs along with directions on how to put them on. Don't be intimidated. I'm telling you, it's stick them on, file them down, and you're good to go. So you have 4 different nail designs in here each month, and they are usually based on the holidays and things like that. Now, I don't get to set a profile because she gifts these to me every time she sends them. I appreciate that, Deanna, because I love these. So the first thing that we have is Mickey Mouse. Those are super cute. I know that Jamie from Jamie's Disney Kingdom would love to have these. I might just send these to him. And then I have a little black and white flower. I like those. Those are real pretty. You can use these as an accent on a couple of nails while you paint the rest of your nails. I mean, so many ideas. Now, I love glitter on my nail polish, and these are a red glitter. And then I've had these before, and I really thought these were cute. I got so many compliments on them. But there we go. That is what I got for December, and I'm so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.